Kurinji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurinji Educational Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurinjischoolnkl.com.
Okay, hello students. Now we are discussing vectors chapter and we are discussing problems related to cross product of vectors. Okay, exercise at 10.4 up to question number 9 we discussed. Next question number 10. Find area of the parallelogram whose adjacent sides are given by the vectors a bar is equal to I cap minus j cap plus 3k cap and b bar 2i cap minus 7j cap plus k cap. Okay. Now here we have to find the area of parallelogram whose adjacent sides are a bar and b bar. Area of a parallelogram whose adjacent sides are a bar and b bar is modulus of a bar cross b bar. Modulus of a bar cross b bar. Okay, this is the formula. Area of parallelogram whose adjacent sides are a bar and b bar is modulus of a bar cross b bar. So first of all find a bar cross b bar. What is given here? A bar is given as I cap minus j cap plus 3k cap and b bar is 2i cap minus 7j cap plus k cap. Okay, these are vectors a bar and b bar given. Now a bar cross b bar is a determinant of ijk. Now here ijk components 1 minus 1 3, b bar ijk components 2 minus 7 and 1. Okay, now this determinant I into first row first column closed minus 1 minus of minus plus 21. So minus 1 plus 21 is 20. So 20 I cap minus j cap into first row second column close 1 into 1 minus 6. Okay, 1 minus 6 is what? Minus 5 minus of minus plus 5 j cap. Okay, next plus k cap into first row third column hide 1 into minus 7 minus 1 into 2 is minus 2 minus of minus plus 2 minus 7 plus 2 minus 5. So minus 5k cap. So a bar cross b bar what we got? 20i cap plus 5j cap minus 5k cap. Now modulus of a bar cross b bar is equal to square root of 20 square plus j component 5 square plus k component minus 5 square. Okay, so square root of 20 square plus 5 square plus 5 square. Okay, if you observe here, this is 20 square is nothing but 5 square into 4 square. Here we have 5 square, here we have 5 square. So overall 5 square common. So what we can write 5 square into 20 square, what we can write 5 square into 4 square. So 5 square common, still we have 4 square. Here 5 square common, 1 square. Here 5 square common, 1 square. So square root of 5 square is 5 into square root of 16 plus 1 plus 1, root 18. Okay, now square root of 18 we can write as 9 into 2. Square root of 9 into 2, square root of 9 is 3. So 3 into 5, 15. Square root of 2 square units. So area of parallelogram is 15 square root of 2 square units. 15 root 2 square units. Okay. Next. Question number 11. Let the vectors a bar and b such that magnitude of a bar is 3 and magnitude of b bar is square root of 2 by 3. Okay, magnitude of a bar is 3, magnitude of b bar is square root of 2 by 3. Then A bar cross B bar is a unit vector if the angle between A bar and B bar is dash. Here it is a MCQ question. It is a MCQ question, but without options I am explaining. A bar and B bar are two vectors such that magnitude of A bar is 3, magnitude of B bar is square root of 2 by 3. Okay. Then A bar cross B bar is a unit vector. If A bar cross B bar is a unit vector, then angle between A bar cross B bar we have to find. What is given here? Magnitude of A bar is given as 3, magnitude of B bar is given as square root of 2 by 3. Okay. Suppose theta be the angle between A bar and B bar. Let theta be the angle between the vectors A bar and B bar. Okay. A bar and B bar is A bar cross B bar is a unit vector. A bar cross B bar is a unit vector. What is it meaning? Modulus of A bar cross B bar is 1. Okay. A bar cross B bar is a unit vector. That implies modulus of A bar cross B bar is equal to 1. Okay. Now modulus of A bar cross B bar. First of all, what is A bar cross B bar? A bar cross B bar is a magnitude of A bar into magnitude of B bar into sin theta into n cap, where theta is angle between A bar and B bar and n cap is a unit vector perpendicular to the plane generated by A bar and B bar. A bar cross B bar. Now modulus of A bar cross B bar, modulus of A bar cross B bar is what? Modulus of A bar into modulus of B bar into modulus of sin theta into modulus of n cap. Okay, modulus of unit vector is 1. Okay, here theta lies between 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi sin is positive, modulus of sin is nothing but sin theta. So modulus of A bar cross B bar is nothing but modulus of A bar into modulus of B bar into sin theta. Okay, so modulus of A bar into modulus of B bar into sin theta is equal to 1. So what is given? Given that magnitude of A bar is 3, magnitude of B bar is root 2 by 3. So 3 into root 2 by 3 into sin theta is equal to 1. 3 cancel ma. So root 2 comes to this side. So what we have? Sin theta is equal to 1 by root 2. Sin theta is equal to 1 by square root of 2. So theta is sin inverse of 1 by root 2. Sin inverse of 1 by root 2 is what? Pi by 4. Sin inverse of 1 by root 2 is pi by 4. So angle between the vectors A bar and B bar is pi by 4. Angle between the vectors A bar and B bar is pi by 4. Okay. Here given that magnitude of A bar 3, magnitude of B bar root 2 by 3. Okay. A bar cross B bar is a unit vector. We have to condition for angle between A bar and B bar. Angle between A bar and B bar. Okay. Now as A bar cross B bar is a unit vector, what we have? Modulus of A bar cross B bar is 1. Okay. Modulus of A bar cross B bar, magnitude of A bar into magnitude of B bar into sin theta is equal to 1. So magnitude of A bar 3 into root 2 by 3 into sin theta is equal to 1. 3 cancel, sin theta is equal to 1 by root 2. So sin theta is equal to 1 by root 2 means theta is equal to sin inverse of 1 by root 2, that is pi by 4. Okay. Next question. Example question number 12. This is also a MCQ question only. Without options I will explain. Area of the rectangle having the vertices, A minus I cap plus 1 by 2 j cap plus 4 k cap, B I cap plus 1 by 2 j cap plus 4 k cap, C I cap minus 1 by 2 j cap plus 4 k cap, D minus I cap minus 1 by 2 j cap plus 4 k cap. Okay. Area of rectangle having vertices with the position vectors, means this is OA bar, OA bar, OB bar, OC bar, OD bar. Okay. What is given? Given OA bar is equal to minus I cap plus 1 by 2 j cap plus 4 k cap. OB bar is equal to I cap plus 1 by 2 j cap plus 4 k cap. OC bar is equal to I cap minus 1 by 2 j cap plus 4 k cap. And OD bar is equal to minus I cap minus 1 by 2 j cap plus 4 k cap. OA bar, OB bar, OC bar, OD bar. The area of rectangle, if ABCD are vertices of a rectangular parallelogram, area of rectangle is modulus of AB bar cross AD bar. Modulus of AB bar cross AD bar. Okay. Now calculate AB bar, find out AD bar, then take cross product of AB bar into AD bar, then its magnitude. Okay. Now AB bar AB bar is what now? OB bar minus OA bar, OB bar minus OA bar. What is OB bar? I cap plus 1 by 2 j cap plus 4k cap minus OA bar. OA bar is what now? Minus I cap plus 1 by 2 j cap plus 4k cap. Okay. Now minus of minus plus I cap plus I cap is what? 2I cap. Now 1 by 2 j cap minus 1 by 2 j cap cancel, 4k cap minus 4k cap cancel. So I cap plus I cap is what? 2I cap. So AB bar is what? 2I cap. AB bar is 2I cap. Next AD bar is OD bar minus OA bar. AD bar is OD bar minus OA bar. Position vector of D minus position vector of A. What is OD bar? OD bar is minus I cap minus 1 by 2 j cap plus 4k cap minus OA bar is minus I cap plus 1 by 2 j cap plus 4k cap. Okay. Now minus I cap, here minus of minus plus I cap, minus I cap plus I cap cancel, 0 I cap. Okay. Next minus half j cap plus into minus half j cap. Okay. Minus 1 by 2 j cap minus 1 by 2 j cap is minus j cap. 4k cap minus 4k cap, 4k cap minus 4k cap cancel. So AD bar is how much? AD bar is minus j cap. AD bar is minus j cap. Okay. After this calculate AB bar cross AD bar. Okay, AB bar cross AD bar. So what we have? I cap, j cap, k cap. Here AB bar is how much? 2I. 2I cap is nothing but 2 0 0. AD bar is how much? Minus j. Minus j is nothing but I component 0, k component 0. So 0 minus 1 0. 0 minus 1 0. Okay. So if you calculate this determinant, what we get? I into 0 minus j into 0 plus k into minus 2. Nothing but minus 2k cap. AB bar cross AD bar is how much? Minus 2k cap. Minus 2k cap. Now area of parallelogram or area of rectangle. The area of rectangle ABCD is what is now? Magnitude of AB bar cross AD bar. Magnitude of AB bar cross AD bar, that is square root of minus 2 square, nothing but square root of 4 is what? 2 square units. So area of rectangle is 2 square units. Okay. Now here position vectors of vertices given, means OA bar given, OB bar given, OC bar given, OD bar given. Okay. Area of rectangle formed by the vertices ABCD is modulus of AB bar cross AD bar. Okay. So AB bar is OB bar minus OA bar. How much we got? 2I cap. Okay. AD bar, OD bar minus OA bar. How much we got? Minus j cap. Now AB bar cross AD bar, IJK. Okay. Here 2 I component is 2, j component and k component 0. Okay. AD bar, j component minus 1. Okay. I component and k component 0. So what we have? AB bar cross AD bar is if you calculate this determinant, I into 0 minus j into 0 plus k into minus 2, nothing but minus 2k cap. AB bar cross AD bar is minus 2k cap. Okay. So area of rectangle ABCD is given by magnitude of AB bar cross AD bar, that is square root of minus 2 square, that is square root of 4, nothing but 2 square units. Okay. Now with this we completed exercise 10.4. Okay. So we completed all the exercises, left with miscellaneous examples and miscellaneous exercise. Okay. Now we will discuss miscellaneous examples first of all. Now example 26, write all the vectors. First question in miscellaneous examples, example 26, write all the unit vectors in xy plane. Write all the unit vectors in xy plane. Write all the vectors, all unit vectors in xy plane. A unit vector means a vector of magnitude 1 unit, vector of magnitude 1 unit. Okay. Well, consider let r bar is equal to xi cap plus yj cap be a unit vector in xy plane. Okay. Let r bar is equal to xi cap plus yj cap be a unit vector in xy plane. Okay. Well, here what I will do is I will consider these points x and y on a unit circle centered at origin. Okay. Let this is a circle centered at origin whose radius is 1 unit. Now P be a point x comma y. P be a point x comma y. Okay, x comma y. Now OP bar is a unit vector. OP bar is a unit vector because modulus of OP bar is 1. Modulus of OP bar is 1. Now what is this vector? Xi cap plus yj cap, because if you drop a perpendicular on x axis will be OQ bar. OQ bar is how much? X. OQ bar is x, and PQ bar is how much? Y. PQ bar is y. Now in the triangle OPQ, what we have? OQ bar is equal to xi cap. OQ bar is xi cap because along x axis unit vector is I cap, along y axis unit vector is j cap. Okay, if you drop a perpendicular from point x y p x comma y, okay, OQ bar is x and PQ bar is y. Okay, so OP bar is equal to xi cap. Now one more thing, now suppose this angle is theta. Now cos theta is equal to what? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to x by 1, nothing but x. In place of x equal to x, what we can write? Cos theta. So OQ bar is cos theta I cap. OQ bar is cos theta I cap. Okay, next. Now PQ bar, this is along y axis, unit vector is j cap. So PQ bar is equal to what? Yj cap. PQ bar is equal to yj cap. Okay. Now one more thing, in triangle OPQ, what is sin theta? Opposite by hypotenuse. So sin theta is equal to y by hypotenuse. OP is 1, no? So sin theta is equal to y. So in place of y, what we can write? Sin theta. So PQ bar is what? Sin theta j cap. PQ bar is sin theta j cap. Now in the triangle OPQ, now what we can write by triangle of vector addition? OQ bar plus PQ bar is equal to OP bar. So R bar, OP bar is equal to OQ bar. OQ bar is what? Xi cap plus PQ bar is what? PQ bar is yj cap. Xi cap plus yj cap. Now xi cap is nothing but cos theta I cap. Cos theta I cap plus yj cap is sin theta j cap. Sin theta j cap. Now magnitude of R bar. Magnitude of this vector is square root of cos square theta plus sin square theta. So square root of cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Okay, square root of 1 is 1. So this gives all unit vectors in xy plane. This gives all unit vectors in xy plane. Here theta varies from 0 to 2 pi. Here theta varies from 0 to 2 pi. Okay, by giving different values for theta, from 0 to 2 pi, we will get different unit vectors in xy plane. By giving different values for theta, we will get different unit vectors in xy plane. This gives all unit vectors in xy plane. Okay. Next, example 27. If I cap plus j cap plus k cap, comma 2i cap plus 5j cap, comma 3i cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap, and I cap minus 6j cap minus k cap are position vectors of the point A, B, C and D. Okay, these are the position vectors of the point A, B, C and D. Find the angle between AB bar and CD bar. Deduce that AB bar and CD bar are collinear. Okay. Now what is given here? These are position vectors of A, B, C, D. We have to find angle between AB bar and CD bar. Okay, first of all, let theta be the angle between AB bar and CD bar. What is given here? Position vector of A, OA bar is equal to I cap plus j cap plus k cap. Position vector of B, OB bar is equal to 2i cap plus 5j cap. Position vector of C, 3i cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap. And position vector of D, OD bar is equal to I cap minus 6j cap minus k cap. Okay, OA bar, OB bar, OC bar and OD bar given like this. Okay, now what we have to find? We have to find angle between the vectors AB bar and CD bar, no? Okay, AB bar equal to what we can write? OB bar minus OA bar. AB bar is equal to OB bar minus OA bar. What is OB bar, ma? OB bar is 2I cap plus 5j cap minus OA bar. OA bar is I cap plus j cap plus k cap. So 2I cap minus I cap, 5j cap minus j cap, 4j cap and minus k cap. So AB bar is I cap plus 4j cap minus k cap. Okay. Next, CD bar. CD bar is what? OD bar minus OC bar. CD bar is OD bar minus OC bar. Okay, where OD bar is I cap minus 6j cap minus k cap minus OC bar is 3I cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap. Now, I cap minus 3I cap minus 2I cap minus 6j cap minus 2k minus 2j cap minus 6 minus 2 minus 8j cap. Now what we have a CD bar is OD bar minus OC bar, that is OD bar is I cap minus 6j cap minus k cap minus OC bar is 3I cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap. So I cap minus 3I cap minus 2I cap minus 6j cap minus 2j cap minus 8j cap minus k cap minus half minus plus 3k cap. Okay, 3k cap minus k cap is 2k cap. Okay. Now we have AB bar and CD bar. Now magnitude of AB bar is square root of I component 1, j component 4, k component minus 1. So 1 square plus 4 square plus minus 1 square, that is 1 plus 16 plus 1, that is square root of 18. Square root of 18, what we can write? Square root of 9 into 3, 9 into 2. Okay, square root of 9 is 2. Square root of 9 is 3, so 3 root 2. Square root of 18 is 3 root 2. AB bar is 3 root 2. Next, CD bar, magnitude of CD bar is square root of here I component minus 2, j component minus 8 and k component 2. So square root of minus 2 square plus minus 8 square plus 2 square, that is square root of 4 plus 64 plus 4. Okay. So square root of 72. Square root of 72, what we can write? Square root of 36 into 2. So square root of 36 is 6. So 6 root 2. So magnitude of AB bar is 3 root 2. Magnitude of CD bar is 6 root 2. Okay. Well, theta be the angle between AB bar and CD bar. Then cos theta is equal to what? AB bar dot CD bar upon magnitude of AB bar into magnitude of CD bar. Okay. Cos theta is AB bar dot CD bar upon magnitude of AB bar into magnitude of CD bar. Okay, numerator AB bar dot CD bar. AB bar is I cap plus 4j cap minus k cap. Dot product with CD bar is minus 2I cap minus 8j cap plus 2k cap upon magnitude of AB bar. Magnitude of AB bar is 3 root 2 into magnitude of CD bar is what? 6 root 2. So 3 into 6, 18, root 2 into root 2 is 2. Okay. 18 into 2, 36, denominator 36, numerator I cap minus 2I cap minus 2, 4j cap minus 8j cap, dot product is minus 32, minus k cap plus 2k cap, dot product is minus 2. So how much might is? Minus 36 numerator, denominator 36, minus 36 by 36 is minus 1. Okay, cos theta is equal to minus 1. Cos theta is equal to minus 1. Here theta ranges between 0 to pi. Okay. So cos theta is equal to minus 1 means theta is equal to how much more? Pi. Theta equal to pi. Okay. So angle between AB bar and CD bar is pi. Angle between AB bar and CD bar is pi. Okay. Angle between AB bar and CD bar is pi means AB bar and CD bar are collinear. AB bar and CD bar are collinear. Okay, here given that 4 points given, okay, position vectors given, OA bar given, OB bar given, OC bar given, OD bar given. We have to find angle between AB bar and CD bar. So first of all, AB bar is OB bar minus OA bar. What we got? I cap plus 4j cap minus k cap, and CD bar is OD bar minus CD bar. What we got? Minus 2I cap minus 8j cap plus 2k cap. Okay, magnitude of AB bar is 3 root 2. Magnitude of CD bar is 6 root 2. Okay, now suppose angle between AB bar and CD bar is theta, then cos theta is equal to AB bar dot CD bar upon magnitude of AB bar into magnitude of CD bar. Okay, dot product in numerator we got as minus 36 and denominator magnitude of AB bar is 3 root 2, magnitude of CD bar is 6 root 2, okay, product is 36. Okay, cos theta is equal to minus 36 upon 36 is minus 1. Cos theta minus 1 means theta is equal to pi. Theta is equal to pi, okay, because theta has to lie between 0 to pi. So theta equal to pi means AB bar and CD bar are collinear, direction of AB bar and direction of CD bar are opposite. Okay, I will conclude up to here. We will continue remaining problems in next class. Thank you.